Take a look at this 2006 Toyota Tacoma. Carfax has certified this Tacoma as having one owner. This Tacoma has just under 105,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 on the highway. This Tacoma boasts a 4.0-liter engine, and has an unspecified transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, AM/FM stereo, telescoping steering wheel and passenger airbag. Call 866-655-8722 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.